September 9, 2024. On that date, all the confusions regarding iOS 18, iPhone 16 and Apple Intelligence are getting cleared. Yes, Apple announced their event on that day. In that event, we are expecting some announcements regarding all our dilemmas. In this video, you are getting an idea about some of the features that are roaming around the internet regarding these dilemmas. Before getting into the video, please do like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. And requesting apart, let's get into the video. In the late 2022, Apple allows their devices as a primary transaction device through NFC. And through this tap to cash feature, which should support by any iPhone running on iOS 18, you can use this feature to exchange money between two different persons by bringing your iPhone close together. Coming to the second feature, from iOS 18, you can customize your home screen, which Android already have since some years. If you turn on the dark mode, the icons will automatically switch into the dark mode. And the coolest part here is you can change the tint of the icons by using some of the color sliders. Coming to the third feature, during the launch of iPhone 14, Apple announced a groundbreaking feature, Satellite SOS. To the extension of this feature, Apple announced another feature which will be available from iPhone 16, the Satellite SOS messaging. This messaging feature is mainly useful for emergency searching. Took some days. If you contact the emergency services with the Satellite SOS call, it is not possible to recall that call once again. Apple is trying to push the limits of the Satellite SOS through this feature. And coming to the Apple Intelligence supported devices, Apple Intelligence is only supported from iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max and all the iPhone 16 models. I wasn't understand why they are not giving access to the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models even though they are capable of doing that. Comment down your opinion on this. Apple bringing cleanup feature into their photos, which is similar to the Magic Eraser launched by Google. This is all done by using Apple Intelligence, and this feature will only enroll to the Apple Intelligence supported devices. These are some features that are coming to the upcoming iPhone 16 models. Some of these features are not even coming to the most frequently brought iPhones in the last year, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. I don't know why. Hope this video helpful. If so, please do like the video and consider subscribing to the channel.